your girl Mel, and welcome back to my channel. I've been seeing this trend where people have been installing V-part wigs with no leave out. You had me with the no leave out part because I don't mind a little bit of leave out, but sometimes if you're wearing a hair and it's not the same texture as your hair, it is like so annoying to try to get the hair to blend, and you have to kind of like do that every day. So if I don't have to do leave out, better for me. Yeah, so I was like, you can crochet the hair into the braid so you don't have to do any leave out, and it's so easy. So I gave it a try, and I want to share it with you guys if you haven't already seen the method. So I have this hair, it's a 26-inch V-part unit. Yeah, so it's a 26-inch V-part unit from Nahara's Curls. The texture is Aura. I did shape it up just a little, the bang area. I didn't want to do too much just in case I want to change the parting to a side part. I don't want it to already be like pre-shaped in like a middle bang part because that would look weird if I put it to the side. So yeah, just a little bit of shaping to frame my face. But I am in love with it. As you can see, it's very much so giving scalp. I was able to fool my fiance with it, so I went to him, I was like, oh look, I did my own sewing. He was like,
wait, or is this a crochet?
He really did not know it was a V-part wig, so if I'm fooling him, I can fool other people. But yeah, anyway, let's get into this installation video. I also want to mention, I was a little bit skeptical about crocheting it because I was like, one, is it gonna be like on my head? Because usually I cannot keep a wig on my head. Like as soon as I'm done with my event or whatever I was doing, wig coming off, I don't care if I'm in the car, it's coming off. This wig is actually very, very breathable, and this is also my first time trying like a V-part unit. I don't know if it's because it's not on your whole head. I tend to not feel it. I'm able to keep it on. And also you're not knotting the crochet knot, so you can just slide it off. Like God forbid, it is uncomfortable for you for some reason, or you just don't want to keep it on. But for me personally, I already crocheted it in, which took really quick, but I'm like, let me just leave it on so I don't have to like walk around with loads of cornrows. Although I'm home, but like still, you know when like you feel glam and then you take your wig off and then you have the dookie cornrows and you just don't feel as glammed anymore. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next video. So as you can see, here is the unit. It's not defined or anything. I'm just gonna show you where the clips are positioned within the wig, and then there's a little clip in the back as well. This is the braid down method I went with, but you can also just braid your hair straight back too. So putting on the wig itself is pretty simple. It's not anything too complex. I was just like adjusting it a lot because I just want to make sure the clips are placed properly, and also there's like enough hair like left out at the front for me to be able to crochet to cover it. You don't want to like too close. It's weird, like you want it close but not too close. But that's also why I went with this braiding pattern as well, because the braid itself isn't that high up. It looks like it's just like flat, like as if I pulled my hair back, which is also another option. You can just pull it back. You want to make sure that you do not knot your crochet. I'm going to show you how to do that. It's literally like doing an invisible crochet method. You're just pulling it through one time just so it's hiding the track, but you don't want to knot it, because if you knot it, I'm honestly not sure. I mean, you could get it out, but that would just be really complicated, and there's just no reason to knot it. This is secure enough. Unless you pull this out, it is not coming out at all. I also prefer to do my sections really small because I feel like it gives it more of a natural look than like bulkier sections. Like you can't detect that it's like really crocheted that much unless like you looked really close to my head, but who's gonna do that? So now I'm just gonna go ahead and just like lightly mist my hair and define the curls. A water bottle came in clutch because I didn't want it like drenching wet because that would just take forever to dry, but just damp enough so I can like just give the curls some type of definition, but it'll still have some body to it as well. And I'm only using the mousse that I showed you guys, nothing else, because it definitely cuts down on drying time. And honestly, with like units or extensions, you don't really need a whole bunch of product. I find that it just makes the hair really, really heavy and like kind of nasty feeling, and it just takes too long to dry. So I'm just adding a little bit of layers to the front just to like frame my face. Nothing too crazy. Like I said in the beginning, I don't want to go wild with it because I want to be able to wear this as a side part as well, but I definitely need some framing around my face. And this is the finished product. I don't have the clip of me diffusing. I don't know if I didn't press my camera like to record or what, but I was also creating a TikTok at the same time. So I don't know, that footage just got lost, but we all know how to use a diffuser, and I have other videos on that I can link above as well. But yeah, this is it. It honestly took me really quick to do, and I love it. Let's see how long I can keep it on my head for. But the wig and all products will be linked in the description box below. So yeah, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Love you guys.